Right now, every cell in your body is destroying 10 million ATP molecules per second. A 70-kilogram adult cycles 50 kilograms of ATP every single day, roughly your body weight, recycled from a pool that never exceeds 250 grams. Welcome to the energy currency of life. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, has 3 parts: an adenine base, the purple double ring, a ribose sugar, the gold pentagon, and a tail of 3 phosphate groups, alpha, beta, gamma, linked together by phosphoanhydride bonds. That tail is where the energy lives. These 2 bonds, alpha to beta and beta to gamma, are the phosphoanhydride bonds, sometimes called high-energy bonds, drawn with Lipmann's squiggle in 1941. The covalent bond strength is ordinary. What is unusual is how badly the molecule wants to break it. When water attacks the gamma phosphate, the beta-gamma bond cleaves. ATP becomes ADP plus inorganic phosphate, releasing delta G standard prime of minus 30.5 kilojoules per mole. That is enough energy to drive almost every reaction in biology. Why so much energy? 2 reasons. Charge repulsion. The triphosphate carries 4 negative charges crammed onto one molecule fighting to escape. And resonance stabilization. Free phosphate has 12 equivalent resonance structures. The anhydride has only 3. Splitting reduces strain and spreads electrons. ATP rarely just falls apart. Cells couple it. A kinase grabs ATP and a target, like glucose, and transfers the gamma phosphate directly. Glucose plus phosphate alone is uphill, plus 13.8 kilojoules per mole. Coupled to ATP hydrolysis, the net is minus 16.7. Hexokinase, glycolysis step 1. Muscle. Every crossbridge cycle, a myosin head binds ATP, hydrolyzes it, and snaps forward, pulling the actin filament about 10 nanometers. A resting human consumes 10 to the 20 ATP molecules per second, just keeping skeletal muscle toned. Every step you take is paid for 1 ATP at a time. How is ATP made? ATP synthase, the most efficient rotary motor known. Peter Mitchell, 1961, cells pump protons across a membrane, building an electrochemical gradient. The protons flow back down through F0, spinning the rotor like a turbine. F1 synthesizes 3 ATP per full rotation. Nobel 1978 for Mitchell, 1997 for Boyer and Walker. Inside cells, the actual phosphorylation potential reaches about minus 50 kilojoules per mole because ATP to ADP ratios sit near 10 to 1 and phosphate near 5 millimolar, far from the standard state. 10 million ATP per second per cell. The body runs on flow, not storage. ATP is universal. Every bacterium, every archaeon, every eukaryote uses the same molecule. The structure predates the last common ancestor of all life. Lipmann named it. Mitchell explained it spinning. And every second of every day, it carries the energy that keeps you alive.